Some of the roads have been given out to contractors in the past. Ongoing projects, okay? Like there was no fund for them to continue, but now that they passed the budget, they don't have any excuse anymore.
Lagos Abeokuta Expressway leads to Ikotun, goes to Egbeda, Idimu, Egbe, the whole of Alimosho, and it is too narrow. They should make it wider.
From Ikorodu leading to Shagamu, that road is very bad. The Ogijo area, the government needs to do something about that.
Lagos Apapa Express. Terrible. Large pothole as big as my head.
The Kogi State Road is not very funny. And the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway, that road, it's a major road. So I think something needs to be done about that.
The Apapa Link Road, where we have tankers, other vehicles, and a whole lot of them. So I think if that road is fixed, that will help a lot, because it will also help in the economy, development of the economy.